I just wanted to show you guys a quick product unboxing. Make sure you guys don't make the same mistake I did. This is kind of a blind purchase without any confirmation of what it actually is. I ordered the Bronco logo for my 2021 Ford Bronco and couldn't find any pictures of it, so I ordered it off of the part number, which is right there. And this is what I got. It's actually the Bronco logo. So, you guys ordered that part, you're gonna get the parts you wanted. And it says prime, but they are actually a gloss white, so they match exactly what is on your vehicle. Purchase these to paint and put on a new grill I ordered. It's the Waltrek grill. So I'm pleased. And maybe I'll try to sort these out and spell something else, like Bonon. How about that?